Why aren't you subscribing? An honest question from an old guy who cares. Hello, my friend. Yes, you. The one watching and nodding politely, but still hasn't clicked subscribe. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not here to guilt trip you. Okay, maybe just a little. You see, I'm not a fancy influencer with a six-pack and a drone camera. I'm just an older gentleman trying to share something meaningful, with a little wisdom, a little humor, and a lot of heart. I've poured time, love, and about 3 cups of lukewarm coffee into making these videos. But every time I check the stats, it's like throwing a birthday party and nobody shows up, except you. And I appreciate that. Really, I do. But here's the honest truth. If people don't subscribe, share, or comment, this little corner of the internet stays hidden. And I believe the world needs more voices like ours, real, kind, and a bit wrinkled. So let me ask you, what can I do better? Should I sing? Dance? Juggle oranges? Warning, I tried juggling once. The oranges won. But seriously, leave a comment. Tell me what you want more of. And if anything here made you smile, or think, or just feel a little less alone, and go ahead, subscribe. Share it with someone, help an old guy out, because I may have a few gray hairs, but I've still got stories left to tell, and I'd love to share them with you.